Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City at one of our basement restoration projects. This here is an existing stone foundation, as you can see. Walls are all vertical. Walls look pretty good. They do have some wall breaks in here. It is bellying in a little bit right here in some of these spots, but that's why they put these wall braces in. I will add, whoever did this for them didn't know anything about engineering. Bolting only one bolt, I guess that's better than two because it's going to end up splitting these joists. So, but they've been here a while, maybe they won't, I don't know, but it goes against our methodology. And as you can see, this one right here, it's pulled out already, this bolt right there. It's just not it's not the King Pierce methodology, but it's the cookie cutter way. On this job here, we're going to come in, wire brush these walls, get all the loose stuff off, and we'll do some tuck pointing as needed all around the house inside here. Right in there, we got some major mortar to do, and we got spots like that throughout this basement. Once we get the walls coated with concrete, that'll do two things. It'll structurally make it more stronger, which it's already structurally strong, but it'll give it additional strength, and it will also waterproof it. Now, the concrete we're putting on there is rigid, is not flexible, so in time the stone may move and may cause a crack in the mortar. All the homeowner has to do, they've been informed, call us, and Superman Matt King will come over here and fill that crack real good, and we'll go on with life. So that's about it for this job. Another home renovation, basement renovation project. Stay tuned as we get going on this. That last video, it's really going to be a transformation. So King Pierce, Kansas City, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget to check out our footingsupportpier.com. Thank you.